Hello, folks. Welcome to another episode of I'm Actually Doing Something. And, don't forget to click all the buttons, get your hands dirty, take a hammer and smash the like button, subscribe. Leave a comment. Apparently helps the algorithm. I don't think anything really helps the algorithm, but unless you're showing some cleavage or something, I don't know. If I was born with cleavage, I'd have 1 million viewers, but I'm not. So stay tuned, I got something. I won't this thing. It's only heavier because I don't feel like picking it up. In today's episode of Dumb Shit, I'm gonna try to get this thing right here off. I should have brought a battery because I could have. Here, I'll show you. There's 2 bolts on here. And I'm not really sure how the hell to go about this. So, one of them's got to come off because I know the whole thing's got to come out. So, I'm going to try putting a ratchet on one side. Wait, where's my glasses? Oh no. I forgot my glasses. I put them on that side and then try turning this side. Feel free to make fun of me because I probably should do this on the floor. Yeah, I'll do this on the floor. Hold on. Stay tuned. I'll show you in a minute. Well, anyway, I got this one off. I'm not sure if this thing slides out, but I'm taking this off and this off the little brake posts. So just for future reference, this goes inside there. I'll take that one off next if you want to wait. I have it. I'm using the old trusty dusty impact here. So stay tuned. I'll show you some more. What's up, folks? I got the thing out of there. I don't think wasn't that exciting. I gotta figure out what the hell's in there. I know the bearings. There's 2 bearings I know go in there, and I'm guessing there's a cross member that goes in there. Right now I'm taking all the bolts off the frame. Because I don't want to lose them. They were stuck on here, so I'm just going to put all the frame bolts that I can find on here. I don't know what this is. Let's see this. It's all broken. Let's bust it off in there or what? I don't know what that is. What's this? When I got it, I took this thing apart, and this is. I'm planning on sending this to powder coat, sandblast and powder coat ASAP, so I can just get put new bearings in here. I'm gonna order new bearings, the neck stem bearings, and I'm gonna paint the neck myself. I'm not gonna. I mean, I probably should get a professional to do this, but what would be the point of having fun if I got everyone else to do everything? So, when I can have some fun. Plus it saves me some money. Where is that? Right here. There we go. There's another one. I think there's one right here. Where? Put it in the bag before I lose it. Could have swore I had a small ratchet or something here. Where is that? Holy cannoli. Could have swore there's a small crescent wrench somewhere in here. Yeah, there. I'll use this. There's 1 bolt right here. See if the King Dick wrench works. It says a bicycle wrench. See if it works good. Probably a little more. Okay. Probably the worst wrench I could possibly use on that. Break it. Oh well, yeah. Probably will break the goddamn thing. Let's get a I have a bunch of wrenches here. Christ, I don't have nothing here. Why is it? All the small ones are all gone. It's driving me nuts. Where's the little small ones? There was a billion wrenches here. Now they're all gone. I think this is what? That's this. Nope, these. That's 10. Of course, I need 8. Of course. Of course, it's not the right one. What the hell is it? Don't worry, I prepared this video. Yeah, sure. You know what? We're going to use my favorite. I don't even think this is the right bolt. Come on. There we go. I want to loosen it. I think somebody put the wrong size bolt in here. That looks like the wrong size by looking at it. Got all of them out of this side. There's nothing on there. I got to crack a dent out of here and fix it. Let me check this side out. This side has one bolt on here, which should be loose enough just to go like this. There we go. No more bolts on the frame. Come on. I hand tighten this on here, now it'll come off. What the hell? Just to get it off here. Come on. There we go. There we go. Take that off there. Where's the sack of bolts here? These are frame bolts. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Now, I'll see if I can get this out of here somehow. I also need gloves. Some gloves. There's no glove, no love. This is ugly, so hold on a second. Straight out of peanut butter. Skippy peanut butter is so good to eat. Yummy. This looks like I stuck it somewhere where the sun don't shine. Wipe it off. What am I doing? I'm trying to get this bearing out. It doesn't want to cooperate. It's almost coming out. Back it up here. This right here. Line it up right there. This right. Is it moving? Kinda, sorta. I don't know if you can see under there. See this? Let's go like this. You might be able to see the bearing shoot out the bottom. It's coming along a little bit. Let's go back. A hydraulic press would work, but then it would take me 5 years to set it up. So I'm doing it the old-fashioned way, brute force. Let's see now. Come on. Come out yet anymore? It's coming. Slowly but surely. A couple more good hits, maybe. Ooh. We got something. Ooh, I think we got a load. Nope, not quite. Looks like it came out of someplace special. Let me wipe this off here. Well, we got this out. Yummy part. Now it's the little edgemite section. The little lip. Let's see. Up here. It's almost busted all the way off. You can see it's broken in there. I gotta knock that out next. 1 or 2 hits should do it. Something fell down. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Alright. No idea where it went, but here's the rest of it. Let me wipe this off again. Come on. Yummy. At least my borrowed chisel, not borrowed, but a chisel that somebody gave me won't rust anymore. That's another little tip for anybody hammering it with chisels. Use vice grips and hold the end, because it's not worth it losing a finger. I mean, unless you don't need the finger, you want compensation, you know. There we go. Let me try to get that out of there now. There we go. Pretty sure these 40-year-old nuggets are no my good. Anyway, with that said, let me show you the rest of this thing. I'll give you a tour. Let me turn this around here. What's up, folks? It's me again. Yay, zoom. Come on. The zoom. There we go. Took the nuggets out of there. This is pretty straight here. Took the monster nugget out of there. I have one thing down here to straighten out, and I got to figure out. This doesn't look too legit. I'm guessing that was probably a start button or something, and I really don't know what's going on right here. I might just have to nip that in the butt somehow. So anyway, my bench is a complete mess. This is like, what, 40 years of keeking material. I'm going to order a skid plate cover and the inside of it. It's in pretty decent shape. Let me flip it over, I'll show you.